We are globetrotting through retirement on the Rick Steves Heart of Ireland tour, and today we're visiting the majestic Kilkenny Castle. Built in the 12th century, Kilkenny Castle was the principal seat of the Butlers, Earls and Marquises and Dukes of Ormond for almost 600 years. Under the powerful Butler family, Kilkenny grew into a thriving, vibrant city. Today, the castle is run by the Office of Public Works after it was left abandoned for almost 3 decades when the Butler family was beset with financial ruin after the Irish Civil War. Walking down these hallways, we see how the Office of Public Works has done a remarkable restoration job bringing the castle back to its original grandeur. This is the Chinese withdrawal room, the hand-painted wallpaper that is like a Japanese tea house dating back to the 1800s. During the 19th centuries, ladies withdrew here from the dining room after the meal, separating from the men. It was the thing to do. In the dining room, the men enjoyed cigars and debated the politics of the day. The picture gallery was built during the early 19th century. The portraits have been reacquired from all around Ireland after the artwork was sold off during auction. And the views of the courtyard are a masterpiece unto themselves. This is the tapestry room in the North Tower, and it shows how the medieval castle was converted into a stately home in the 17th century. Embossed gilded leather once hung on these walls. They were replaced with tapestries in the 18th century as it looks today. Here is the library. The castle's collection includes a significant number of rare Irish books and manuscripts, including first editions, the works of James Joyce and Jonathan Swift. Moving to the second floor, look at these incredible views. It's here we find the sleeping quarters, like the blue bedroom, reserved for royalty, and the Chinese bedroom, with more hand-painted wallpaper. Finally, we encounter the Grand Hall of Kilkenny Castle, also referred to as the Great Hall, featuring huge ceilings, more prominent portraits, and historic furnishings. This was the main reception area in the castle, and looking around, you can imagine the grand balls and parties that happened here, providing an insight into what life was like on a grand scale in the castle.
The castle has been here since 1193, and it's been a family home for the Butler family, and there are so many extraordinary stories. I'd highly recommend a visit, and it gives me great pleasure to talk about the place and all the stories associated with the people we see hanging on the walls in portraits.
The parklands that surround the castle are stunning and free to explore. They're a great place to take in the history of this place even on a rainy day. Kilkenny Castle, stepping back into time, recalling a bygone age of wealth and splendor. Enjoying one of the finest castles in Ireland, we continue globetrotting through retirement.